Hi friends. This is Tech Brothers. Some days ago, we received new smartphone, Maze Alpha, from our partner, GearBest online store. We used smartphone about a week, and we have first impressions about it. So, here you can see unboxing, first review and some tests. Later, we will make detailed test of performance and camera. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. Let's start review. The main features of Maze Alpha is its screen and bezel-less design. Although 6-inch screen, the smartphone is quite comfortable to hold in one hand. Maze Alpha comes in black box. There is company logo on the front panel, while specifications and technical details are located at the back. Also, the smartphone offers powerful specifications, and its price is about $200. Inside the box, we see smartphone, and quite standard packaging, such as USB cable, power adapter, and SIM needle. Inside the envelope, there is user manual, and tempered glass screen protector. We cannot expect more from budget smartphone. However, everything is staffed reliably and qualitatively. Your smartphone will not suffer during transport. As we said, the main features of Maze Alpha is bezel-less design. The smartphone looks incredible. By the way, it reminds Xiaomi Mi Mix that was released in 2016. It was the first phone to introduce with bezel-less display concept. Holding this smartphone feels really nice and comfortable. It doesn't feel too fragile, like Samsung Galaxy S8. I really enjoy this phone, as I am able to enjoy the features of a premium design, without feeling like it's going to break really quickly if I drop it accidentally. Maze Alpha has huge bottom bezel because of home button, with fingerprint sensor and front camera. The smartphone has nice weight, but it is quite difficult to put in pocket because its size is 15.98 by 8.25 by 0.81 centimeters. On the right side, we can see volume rocker and power button. On the left side is slot for microSD and SIM card. The back panel has minimalist design. Here is only dual rear camera, with flash and Maze logo. We really like the design of Maze Alpha. The smartphone is made very high quality and stylish. The display is one of the main part, which people look at when choosing a smartphone. Maze Alpha really attracts attention. It comes with 6-inch display, with Full HD resolution, and Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Also, the screen uses 2.5D curved glass, and 16:9 aspect ratio. We should note about 83% screen-to-body ratio, and scratch-resistant. Pretty impressive list, is not it? Now there are a lot of Chinese manufacturer that produces bezel-less display phones. However, only few of them can offer really interesting solution. Also, you can buy flagships, like Galaxy S8, or LG G6, but their prices are very high. Maze Alpha is perfect device for those who want bezel-less smartphone with powerful specs and low price. Now, let's talk about performance. Maze Alpha works on Helio P25 processor. It is octa-core chipset with 10 nanometer technology process that performs quite well when it is coupled with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. Maze Alpha offers 4 GB of RAM. According to Maze, Helio P25 processor improves bandwidth by 70% while providing more processing power and less heat. It launches any games and applications, the most powerful, like Asphalt 8, and Casual 1. This great performance is also supported by Mali T880 GPU. Taken all three together, CPU, GPU, and RAM, makes for seamless and extremely fast experience that is strongly competitive with other premium devices. The internal memory, 64 GB, can be expanded by microSD card, up to 128 GB. Now, let's start some benchmark tests and see results. As you can see, Maze Alpha has about 62,000 scores in Antutu. It is good result for smartphone, under $200. Maze Alpha runs on latest Android 7.0 Nougat. The phone comes with its own custom skin over the Android, like many other Chinese smartphones. But overall, the skin doesn't slow down the smartphone, and actually complements design. If we walk about camera, then it is another feature of smartphone. Maze Alpha comes with dual rear camera, with 13 megapixel sensor and 5 megapixel sensor. On the front panel, there is 5 megapixel sensor. Of course, you should not expect perfect photos from smartphone, with price about $200. It mid-ranger, or even budget smartphone, so images are only average. However, camera app provides a lot of settings, such as touch focus, autofocus, face detection and HDR. Later, we will make separate video with detailed camera test. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. In terms of battery, Maze Alpha is equipped with massive 4000 mAh non-removable battery. It provides about full working day of battery life, or 5 to 6 hours of screen on. It is very good result for smartphone, with 6-inch screen. According to Maze website, the smartphone supports fast charge, at the rate of 9 volts and 2 amperes. Maze Alpha is very interesting smartphone. Its bezel-less design greatly attracts attention. 6-inch screen does not look that big, thanks to the lack of frames on 3 sides. Also, this smartphone offers high performance, good battery life, and camera. We forgot to say that Maze Alpha supports dual SIM card, fingerprint sensor, with 360-degree recognition, and it is available in unlocked condition. It means that you can use smartphone worldwide.